My people, some people are busy giving us some good vibes, and this one they come from Tonto Dikeh, the king herself. Yes, this woman. Okay, for now we don't know, she get what did they call her, orphanage? I be waiting. All those people where they help humanitarian things. Now the one way bring her out now, my people. This woman don't bring her. As usual, she they go round. She go select people randomly when she they help. You understand? Now she don't go bring 10 women. 10. If you not see how he changed them, Charlie, in a twinkle of an eye. Some of them be widow, some of them be single mother, where husband no day again. You understand? Many things. So she select them, help them, carry them, go what do they call her? One place like that. They chop. After they chop, they carry them, go spa, saloon. They change their hair, their look, everything. No be smart, you know. As if say that one no do, you still carry them, go dinner. After the dinner, Charlie, they go house. These 10 women, they go house with 2 what do they call it? 50 kg bag of rice each person, 10 liters of palm oil. You still give them cash 100k each person. And now after that one happen, and not be the first time, because normally Tonto na person wey like they give. No, I they talk her because I don't see her. You understand? Now they don't call her UNICEF people. Now they don't call her say she be one of the people where they honor based on the good works wey they do for the society. So I beg, I want make una see her with una koro eyes. Join me, make we watch King Tonto.
Security challenges and so on, we call those people we identified that actually have been doing this humanitarian work, even though some of them are meeting them for the first time. But we identify them and honor them and call them to a platform where they can actually serve.
One thing for people to notice that you're doing good and appreciate it. It just gives you a sense of appreciation and commitment to do more, and that's where I am in life, to do more. I tend to find that that's what makes me happy. And if I'm not doing it, who is? You know, everybody wants that change. I believe that the change starts from me being the change that I want to see.
Wow. This is wonderful. At least, no, people there where they give us joy, where they make us smile. Yes. If you they watch me now, you they vex, something they do you, because this is witchcraft. I've defined it for you. When you see good thing, you they feel say, hey, this one. I beg shift, may we see road pass. This is what we are talking about. As you see, for now we never calculate 1 million naira now you just go. I know they talk about the rice and the other things, so just the 100k cash each person. 1 million don't go. Then imagine the hair money, the bag rice, the oil, the dinner on top. You know how much don't go like that? And you're not supposed to trust Tonto now. You know, we carry the one lekwa saloon like that. VIP things, you understand? He give the no, this one. See, now things like this we supposed to learn. Now things like this we supposed to learn. And that 100k now, if these people they wise, and I hope say they go they wise, you understand? They go use it now start business. Very important. No, see, no money is small. Oh. No money is small. You feel start small now before you know you don't boost. People no go even recognize you again tomorrow. They go say, now 100k this woman you start this business. Yes. I just they hope say they go use this money wisely. You understand? Very important, because see, make una notice say she has called us today. When the money finish, you call us again. They told say as they help you, help yourself. No just squander all the money, then they hope again for tomorrow you call the beg. No. As you don't get this thing now, think which business you feel do, waiting you feel start now, we go move. Very important. This is wonderful. At least not be every day we go to get bad news. Because I just imagine how many of these women now don't lose confidence before. You know, say as we women, okay, I don't know about men, but we women, again when your hair don't too rough, your skin don't too dry, it go they shame you to come outside. You understand? You go come they think, people go come they see. But now with this thing we Tonto don't do, my people, they've regained their confidence back. Now they feel step out. They feel, you understand? Very important. See, women suppose help other women wear their crown. No be all this song we una go they do. Una get money. We go just see una post. They post cars. It's good. Post. It's your money. But don't come outside and be doing as if you are the greatest. Abeg, we know they see you. Now things like this we need because plenty people they suffer. Abeg, bring this wiki outside. You hear that? Tonto Dikeh no be politician, no. Because now as I talk this now, you go give me excuse. She's this. She's doing what you supposed to do. Your work, something where you supposed start since. Now waiting another person they do, and she get pikin. So no excuse where you go come tell me say I'm very busy. You carry you no pay people salary. You still dey dash cars to unnecessary people. Now that one even dey vex me pass. See wetin woman they do. I just dey hope say after this one that you go learn. At least repent or pretend to repent. I don't even know which one to even use. Just dey waste money anyhow. They go dey behave like all those people wey no go school. Okay, maybe they no. Okay, maybe they no go sha. Tonto Dikeh, God bless you. This one wey you do now, see, with this thing now, we don learn. We don yes, so we learn now. Say we supposed be the change wey we wan see. Let the change start from us, my people. Every day we dey shout, we want change, we want a change, we need change. Start from you. You might not have the 1 million, but the 50 naira or 1 CD where you get, use and start make person smile around you. Now like this, we dey know great people. A very beautiful step. You understand? And yes, I must say we dey follow. Abeg, so for una wey no say una don dey get this thing for una mind since, abeg make una start because plenty people need our help. Now why we need make big money, very very important. My people, how una feel concerning this matter? I know say una don happy because she don put smile for some people face, very very important. So abeg share this video so that everybody go know say the good work don start, the charity and the humanitarian work don start, so that everybody go start to dey follow, very very important. And make sure say you drop your comment. So I wan know wetin una think concerning this matter. Drop am there, and as usual I go reply una one by one. Why not just subscribe so that you no go miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.